So today we're making good old potato and leek soup. The soup that stood the test of time. Many variations have sprung up with Julia Child claiming it to be an American invention, the Welsh getting their finger in there and saying it's theirs. Either way, I don't really care where it came from. I'm going to show you how to get that vibrant green color and how to get the best flavor from the leeks. Care for your soup and your soup will care for you. We have the soup gear. Remove the root from the leek and do whatever you want with it. Just don't add it to the soup. Cut the leek where the green and white meets. Half the white lengthways and cut it into very thin slices. Add it to a large container of water. Leeks are dirtier than a pirate's mouth. Let it soak for a minute or so. Fish it out with your hands, sieve or kiddie's fishing net. Cut the green part into very fine slices and repeat the washing business. Most of the dirt is collected where the green starts. Once rinsed, it should be dirt-free and ready for pre-satisfaction action. Clean the heads and asses of the onion. Peel it, half it and slice it thinly without doing the same to your digit pressers. Peel and slice the garlic cloves as thin as you safely can. Please don't use ready-made crushed garlic, it's a sin you can't repent. Peel the spuds. I use Desiree, my favorite variety for mashed potatoes. When we're done here, you should definitely eyeball that video too. Once peeled, cut it into quarters and then slice it thin as possible. We want everything to cook as quick as possible for the soup to stay vibrant in flavor and color. Thyme is our secret weapon, like the herb thyme. It's a natural flavor match with onion and potato. Keep that in mind when cooking other dishes with these ingredients. Strip the leaves from the stalks by pulling backwards against the growth of the leaves. Place a pot or pan on medium heat and add a bit of cooking oil. Add the onions, garlic, leeks, potatoes, thyme and salt. You add the salt to prevent the vegetables from caramelizing. Cook and stir for about 2 minutes until the onions and leeks soften a bit. Add chicken or vegetable stock, stirry McStirry and cover with a lid. That doesn't fit, find another lid that doesn't fit but at least covers the pot. Cook it on medium heat, shaking the pan every now and then for about 4 minutes. Once the veggies have softened a bit, add the cream. Cover and simmer again for another 3 to 4 minutes. Test the potato for doneness. As soon as they are soft, add the chopped green parts of the leek. Crank up the heat, cover the pot and cook for 3 more minutes. Once the greens are cooked, transfer to a stand blender. Do not close the lid fully and start off as fast as it goes. You will get a hot soup facial if you do. Once smooth, go the extra mile and pass it through a fine mesh sieve. This will make it velvety smooth and luxurious. Taste for seasoning and add plenty of black pepper. Leeks and black pepper is a very special flavor combo. Remember that for future reference. To serve, ladle or just pour the soup into a bowl and finish with finely chopped chives, more fresh black pepper and a touch of good olive oil. Now that you know how to make leek and potato soup, go make it for your mama, your papa, your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Make it for yourself. Make yourself happy. Everyone needs a cuddle from a nice, warm leek and potato soup. We're all going to feel better for it. You know, no one loves you like leek and potato soup loves you. All it wants is a little bit of love back from you. Bye-bye.